of our institute and the healthcare workers who work for this achievement. So first of all, we have started the COVID vaccination trial. It was a great opportunity for our department that we have been a partner for as a vaccine trial site all over the India. For the COVID vaccination, the Bharat Biotech is an Indian company which has launched the COVID vaccine named as a Covaxin, and we have started this trial in the month of July in 2020. So vaccine named as a Covaxin, it was the intramuscular vaccine. We have conducted all the three trials, first phase, second phase and the third phase. And we also conducted the Covaxin trial by the intranasal route. We have successfully completed the first phase of the trial, and the third phase of the trial is likely to be start within few days. Apart from the vaccine launched by the Bharat Biotech, we have also conducted the vaccine trials for the Biological E company. This is also an Indian company, and the name of the vaccine is Corbavax. We have also collaborated with the Sanofi Pasteur, that's a global company, and in the India Pacific region, India is one of the important country, and the AIIMS Patna was also one site for this vaccine trial. So the history starts, the milestones for this vaccine trial. The first dose for the vaccine trial of the Covaxin was given in our institute, which started from 13 July 2020, and this first phase of the trial completed on the 3rd February 2021. We have enrolled about 46 participants in both phase 1 and phase 2 trial. The phase 3 trial was a challenging task for us because we had to cover a large number of participants. We have been given a target of around 960 participants, but with the help of the institute and some of the faculty members who has worked on this with their willingness, I will be happy to name them: Professor Binde sir, Dr. Beena, Dr. Sanjeev sir, and many others. They contributed in this trial. Though they were not the part of the trial, but they contributed, they motivated the participants all over the Bihar to come forward and take part in the vaccine trial to make this trial successful. So we started the third phase of the vaccine trial from the 5th December, and it continued till 9th of the February, and we covered around 1,216 participants. Then in the May 2021, we have also started the Covaxin trial among the children, that is age group from 2 to 18 years, and this program is already going on because and it is in the follow-up phase. And then we also conducted, in the meantime, we also conducted the Covaxin trial by the intranasal route in the March 2021. It started from 3rd March, and it is still the follow-up activities are going on. And in the next few days, we are also going to start the vaccine trial, Covaxin trial by the intranasal route, the third phase of this trial. So this figure is very much inspiring for us, because the first participant all over the India was enrolled in AIIMS Patna and given the first dose of the vaccine all over the India. So we are the leading institution all over the India. About 16 participating institutes were there, and the AIIMS Patna given the first dose on the 13th July 2020. We also started the vaccine trial among the children. So these are some of the claims. Then, apart from the Covaxin trial, we have also conducted the vaccine trials of the Biological E and Sanofi. The Biological E first and second phase trial started in 11th November 2020, and the last visit is due. It is we are waiting for the last information. About 118 participants took part in this activity. In the phase 2 and phase 3 trial, it started in June 15, 2021. It is ongoing part. This trial is continued till now, and very few numbers, only 12 participants took part in this trial, because that time was the very peak time for the COVID, and it was very difficult for us to get the appropriate study subjects for the trial. So in this trial, we have also published the 2 publications in the Lancet, the results of the phase 1 trial and the phase 2 trial. In the phase 2 trial, we are also happy to get then Honorable State Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Sri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey ji, was also there to inaugurate this vaccine trial and encourage all the persons involved in this trial. So after that, the Government of India has formulated COVID vaccination guidelines. Globally, the COVID-19 vaccination campaign was started in late 2020 and early 21. The Government of India launched the world's biggest vaccination drive on 16th July 2021. This trial was started with the 2 vaccines, Covaxin and the Covishield, by the Serum Institute of India. And initially, this vaccination drive was launched in the phased manner. Initially, it was launched among the healthcare workers, then frontline workers, and then senior citizens and the 45 age group persons with the comorbidity, and then and so on. So why these 2 vaccines were introduced? Because these 2 are the Indian vaccines, and the results, that is the efficacy after the different trials, was very encouraging. The overall efficacy for the Covaxin is 77.8%. Among the severely diseased person, it is 93.4%. And against the Delta variant of the virus, it is 65.2%. And for the Covishield, it was the 81%. So by this massive drive for the vaccination, we have achieved the herd immunity of 60 to 70%, because almost 75% of the population of our country has been vaccinated today. That is, we have crossed the 100 crore mark of the vaccination today at around 10 a.m. in the morning. So we also started the vaccination activities in our institute. So the process, we have followed the process as per the guideline. First of all, there was the registration, and then verification of the documents, required documents, by the Government of India. Then vaccination was done. We keep the vaccinated persons either in the vaccine trial or in the vaccination activity. So these are some of the things. The first healthcare worker of the institute got vaccinated on 16th January 2021, and on the same day, just to encourage all the healthcare workers for vaccine advocacy and the reduction in the vaccine hesitancy among the healthcare workers, our honorable director sir come forward and he took the vaccine on the first day of this vaccination program. It was really a proud time for us that our director has came forward to make this program successful. We are also happy to inform you that the ex-cabinet minister, Government of India, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, also got vaccine at our institute. So this is just, we can see this picture. His presence has encouraged all the beneficiaries as well as our staffs working for the vaccination activities. So initially we have started this for the healthcare workers, then frontline workers, then the general population. Initially there was a very poor response, but the day by day we got the very encouraging response from the general population, and we have almost crossed the 500 limit per day in the month of July, in the mid of the July. But nowadays this number is going down. So this is not in the AIIMS Patna, actually this is all over the part of the Bihar, I can say. I cannot comment on the over the whole country. So this is the milestone. The first day on 16 January 2021, we were able to vaccinate 100 persons, and just after the 10 months, this figure has reached to 50,024. So the details of these vaccinations at our COVID vaccination center. Among the healthcare workers, this activity started on 16 January 2021. Around 4,226 healthcare workers got the first dose and 3,786 got the second dose also. Among the front line workers, that activity started from the 6th February 2021. Only 46 came for the first dose, but for the second dose, this figure has just doubled. It is around 124. The third category, that is the senior citizens and the people of age more than 45 years with the comorbidities. This activity started from the 1st March 2021. We have given first dose to this group of the persons. This number is 3,460 for the first dose, and second dose it is 3,174. Among the age group of 45 to 59, we started this vaccination from the 1st April. We have given 5,849 people for the first dose and 5,508 for the second dose. We have also vaccinated about 12,324 persons between the age group of 18 to 44 for the first dose, and for the second dose it is 12,192. So till now, in the today's morning, this figure has reached to the 50,689. Out of this total dose, the first dose is given to the 25,905 persons, and second dose is 24,784. This figure is very good, very important for us, because in this 100 crore, we are approximately 70 crore people have got the first dose and 30 crore has got the second dose also. But in our distribution, the first dose, we can say that the number of persons who are coming for the second dose is almost similar to the first dose. So we are able to convince the people that we are going towards we are more in number with respect to the fully vaccinated group. So today's is the really day and this day is remarkable for us and proud for all of the citizens of our country, that we have achieved the 100 crore vaccination. For this mega vaccination drive today at 10 o'clock, and this figure today is at 10 o'clock, this figure was around 100 crores, 2,20,711 for our country. For this activity, approximately 75,000, that is 74,583 vaccination sites are working as a 24/7. 72,396 were in the government setup and 2,187 in the private setups. In Bihar, total vaccinated dose is 6 crores 35 lakhs 48,723. The Honorable CM of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has given a task to the healthcare worker that we should achieve this 6 crore figure in the 6th month. But this figure has been achieved in only 3.5 months. So this is again a very enthusiastic effort made by the healthcare workers and the cooperations by the population of Bihar also. In Patna district, total number of persons vaccinated till 10 o'clock in the morning is 54,98,229. So this is the achievement, and the COVID vaccination center in our institute, it worked for all the days in the year. This center has not been closed for any day, for any hour. So we are working, this center is working from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. Or this vaccination center is open in even all the holidays. So we are also trying to contribute whatever be our capacity in this largest vaccination drive. So these are some of the reference, and thanks for all. And this is the overview I have presented.